y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing a wig install / makeup tutorial. The wig that I'll be installing today is from Sensationnel. This is a textured lace wig in the style Angel Face. We'll have all the hair details listed down below so you guys can check it out. And this wig is from Divatress.com. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Keyerakaye. I typically make videos based on beauty, lifestyle, and editing. For those returning back to my channel, thanks for coming back to watch my video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, girl, go ahead and do that right now. Also, make sure you have the notifications turned on so you don't miss any uploads from me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also leave some comments down below of any videos you want to see from me, or if you have any comments about this unit or about this wig or any other of my videos, just leave some comments down below and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. And let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. This is a textured lace wig from Sensationnel. The style that I'm wearing is Angel Face in the color 1. Now this style mimics a natural blowout or roller set from hair types 3B through 4C. The hair company that it is from is Empress Lace Wigs or Kinks Co. So this style wig is a deep center part with baby hairs. It also has a ear-to-ear soft lace for easy application, and it does come in different colors. The link down below so you guys can go ahead and check out the other colors that they do offer. Again, this wig is from Divatress.com, which will also be linked in the description box. So the first thing that I'll be doing is tinting my lace with that lace tint that I just showed there. But here you can see the amount of parting space that I have as far as the middle part and the baby hairs and edges go. And this is the back of the wig. I do have, well, it does have one comb. And that is pretty much, other than the adjustable straps, the one comb in the back is pretty much all the security for the wig. As you can see, I probably didn't even need to glue down my entire cap with this install, only because the lace, I feel like it's not that much to need a cap glued down, or the ball cap method. I feel like I could have just put a cap on my head and call it a day. But anywho, I am cutting off the lace here, as you can see, and it is pretty basic because I didn't pluck or anything like that. Just because you only have that little bit of parting space. I feel like this was my biggest frustration when doing this wig. But I am using the Imaslayyobae gummy glue, and I'm applying little drops at a time, and I'm blending them out with a popsicle stick. So I am going to let this first layer dry once I blend it all the way out, and then I will go ahead and put on the second layer. I do have a more detailed video on how I install my lace wigs. I will have it clipped above and also down in the description box. There's a few videos that you can select from, and I will have them listed down below. So I'm just giving y'all a quick makeup tutorial. If you want a full makeup tutorial, I do have one on my channel, or a few of them on my channel you guys can check out. I will try to clip those down below or clip them above so you guys can check out any of my updated makeup tutorials. since this wig is already kind of pre-styled with a deep middle part, the only thing that I had to do was go in with my hot comb and kind of flatten out the parting area. And also I did go in with a little concealer on my part as well to kind of make the part look more lighter, because you can kind of see the knots on the part is the one thing that I noticed. But yes, I'm just hot combing, getting everything as flat as I can. And that's pretty much how I styled the wig. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I first was installing the wig, as y'all seen the video, when I got to the lace, like I was very skeptical. That much room that you have between tracks and baby hair. So as you can tell, I skipped the baby hair. Now that was a con for me. It's just there wasn't enough lace for me that I was like typically used to. It was like a little bit of shedding. The hair kind of had like that synthetic-y smell. Curl pattern is super soft and nice. I will say this hair does not tangle as much as a typical synthetic wig tangles. Even for like human hair blends, it doesn't tangle as much as those. This hair is like really soft, and your hands like glide right through it. And for it to be like a texture style wig, I think that is great for it to be like this soft and like flowy and bouncy. Now I'm hoping that it does last. So we know if I wear it every day, it's not going to hold up as much if I was to like take it off. But since I did glue it down, I will be wearing it like a couple days in a row, I guess. The style, I like the texture, I like the hair overall. It's not that shiny synthetic-y looks, but it is like a more natural wig look. So it kind of looks like it's natural hair, like just natural flat ironed or natural relaxed hair. So that's what this vibe is giving for me. And if you love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you leave some comments down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on so you don't miss any uploads from me. Go ahead and check out any of my other videos that I've posted in these past few weeks, or any of my old videos. I will have my most recent videos clipped at the end of this video, and also some of my videos listed in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Make sure you are following me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and all that stuff. Everything is listed down below, and I also will include everything across the screen, so you guys can go ahead and do that. And like I said, make sure you are subscribed, and I will tell you again, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, because December is almost here and we're going to be rolling in with the videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.